Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to clean C drive in your Windows 11 computer. First you need to tap on the start icon, go to setting, under the system section, scroll down a little bit and go to storage option. It is loading right now, wait for load completed. Okay, once it is loaded, scroll down a little bit, go to cleanup recommendations. You can see there are 5 gigabytes can be cleaned. Just tap on it. And you can see in the recycle bin there is 5 gigabytes, downloads 1.5 gigabytes, kind of information you will be able to find. If you need to clean this, just tick the all things that you can use to remove. Just tap on cleanup button, then it will be clean the whole data that is not necessary to your computer. And the second method is go to search bar, search for disk cleanup. This is the app, just tap on it and you can choose the disk you need to clean. Just tap on OK and you will be able to find this kind of menu. And there are several unnecessary files in here. You can tap all the files that you don't need to keep in your computer, and you can see almost 5 gigabytes in this files. And you can clean the system files also. Just tap on clean system files and again select your drive, tap on OK. It will be calculate the system files. Yes, again you can tap on all the unnecessary files you can clean. In my case I don't need anything. You can see in this time Windows installation files also clean. So then after just tap on OK, it will be clean your these files. And if you need to clean files, temporary files manually, just tap on go to search bar, search for run, just tap on that application. In this application you need to type %temp %, hit enter. Then after you need to press Ctrl+A. It will be select all the files, then right click Ctrl+A, then right click on the one of the file, go to delete. It will be take this one, just tap on it. It will be delete all the temporary files. So you can remove unnecessary apps also. To remove the unnecessary apps, go to start menu, go to setting, left side menu, go to apps, go to apps and features. You will be able to find all the apps that are installed on your computer. You need to simply go to this 3 dots icon, just tap on uninstall, then it will be uninstalled from your computer. Make sure the app is not needed for you. Okay, and you can manually clean the recycle bin also. Right click on the recycle bin, right click on the recycle bin, tap on empty recycle bin. And final method is enable storage sense. To do that, go to start menu, go to setting again, under the system section scroll down and go to storage. There is option called storage sense. Make sure to turn it on. This will delete the temporary files and it will be a help to keep your storage free. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.